So in this video, you'll learn how to install Signal on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So start by opening the Google Play Store. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in Signal. And then search. You should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it to view the app details. Confirm that it's by Signal Foundation. Then once you've done that, simply select Install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been downloaded onto your phone, you can tap on Open to launch it from the Play Store, or you can go back to the home screen or the app's drawer, look for the app icon from there, and simply tap on it to launch the app. So from here, just go through the setup process, and you can now start using Signal on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.